We're gonna turn on the street light. There we go. All right, I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna shut this down. So, yeah, I'm gonna shut this light down right now. Yep, it's gone. Let's go ahead and turn it on again. This is a hot restrike now, so let's wait for this to do its thing, and there we go. Alright, we're gonna wait for this to do a little bit of warm up and then we'll shut it off again. Pretty fun. Alright. Okay, let's go ahead and shut it off again. Yep. Yep, we just shut that off again. As you can see. Well, thank you guys for watching.